You can use repeating lists all over your project to make dynamic data come alive on each page. You can also reuse the same item row on different pages or in different lists on the same page. For instance, let's say we had two types of items. We'll go to our data collection. We'll add another new field and we'll call it type. And then in each record, we'll add a value. So I'm going to do just A and B. So we'll do A, B, B, and B. Okay, so we have two type A and three type B items. Let's add a few more elements to the page to make this come to life. I'm going to insert a heading, put that above the repeating list, and we'll call those type A items. I'll add another heading, put that below this time. We'll call that type B items. And then I'll click on my repeating list and I'm going to rename it to type A. And in the data tab, I'm going to go back to the collection list, but this time I'm going to go a little further and add a filter. So we're going to keep it as an AND filter. We're going to filter the type. We're going to filter by the letter A. So this will now only return type A items because we're filtering it to do that. Next, I'll duplicate my repeating list. And then I'm going to drag it below the other one. So that way we have type A items and type B items. And then my last step is in the data of type B items repeating list. I need to change the filter to B. And I need to change the name to B. So now we have two lists instead of just one, and they're filtered to show only the data that we'd like in each list, but both of them use the exact same item row page for their display. So in this way, you can reuse the pages across multiple repeating lists. So let's preview that again and see it live. All right, so we've got our type A items, which are cars and trucks, and our type B items, which are food and houses. In the studio, when you make adjustments to the list page, those adjustments will be made in real time on any repeating list that uses that page. So for instance, if we were to delete this image off of our page, that immediately gets updated across all of the repeating lists that use that page. This also includes styling changes, as well as adding flows and actions to different interactive parts of the page. So this makes it really easy to create component-based systems that update automatically across your project. So that's it for reusability and editing of repeating lists. Make sure to catch part 3 where we'll go over properties, styling, and events. Thanks for watching.